This is Emily with the Children's Corner, and this is the Tailor video lesson. The Tailor is a wonderful bubble that can be made for a boy or girl, and Melissa teaches in this video lesson from beginning to end how to put together this bubble. She starts from the very basics of how to lay out your pattern, as well as how to handle piping, even using some glue as a neat technique to helping you position your piping well. She walks you through step by step from your buttonholes and your grippers to even showing you how to sew on a button. Melissa has so many tips and techniques that you are not going to want to miss. Whether you're brand new to Children's Corner patterns or sewing, or if you're picking this up after several years, we know that you are going to love learning how to sew Tailor.